Video, how to add sections to a YouTube channel, is in playlist or a series, how to create a YouTube channel. The video shows how to organize playlists and videos on a channel into sections. The series shows how to set up a YouTube channel, upload videos, organize the videos into playlists and sections, then add a channel banner and welcome video. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. Videos that are in playlists should be watched in the order given in the playlist on the channel page. There are several hundred computer help and hobby videos on my YouTube channel. Here's how to visit the channel. The best way is to Google search for TOMSTDA, but you must search with Google. Some of the searches will look for tostada. Or you can type the URL into your browser's address box. If you like my videos and would like to be notified when I make additions or corrections to them, you can subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button on the window, select email notifications. Now we've seen how to add videos and playlists to our channel. Now we'll learn how to set up sections or categories on our channel that will contain either groups of related playlists or single videos. We'll begin by opening the channel from the shortcut we created on the desktop. This view shows the latest video added to the section. It shows a list of uploads, and that's it. If we want to add sections to the channel, click Customize Channel. At the bottom of the screen is Add a Section, so click that. We need to specify the type of section we're creating, and the ones I generally use are the ones that have multiple playlists in them. They'd be related playlists. They'd be grouped into a section or category, or a single playlist section. First, let's go through the multiple playlist section. I like to show it in a horizontal row, side by side of the playlists in the section. Other choices are, you can do a vertical list. The playlist section, for playlist selection, you're going to tell YouTube which playlist you want in this section you're creating now. Now remember, we haven't specified the name of our section yet, and we won't until we start adding playlists. So let's say, yeah, we want to add playlist. Fine. Now it asks for the name of the section. And it's going to be a category. It's going to be how the playlists in this section are related to each other. Let's just say they're going to be computer related. And then we'll find the playlist that we want to put in that section. And we click here. You can either add it with URLs of the playlist, or you can click here and pick from your playlist. A little easier to do that. For my test channel, I've only got 2 playlists, so let's just say we're going to put them both in that computer related section. So we'll click one, it added it, and now we're going to add another one. Go look at this list. Remember, this is the second playlist that we've already added. Now let's go ahead and add the first one. Now this section will have these 2 playlists in it. At that point, let's say we're done creating a section. It shows a preview of the new section at the bottom. It'll have the heading Computer Related, which is the name of the section, and then it'll show the playlist in the section. It'll show their thumbnails. And we're not finished yet because we haven't clicked done. So what we could do is we could add more playlists at this point, and they would show up here. Or we could go back and change the type and work that out. But let's say we are done. We do want those 2 playlists in that section. Now it's going to show our channel with that section added. And we have the option to add another section. Now let's go ahead and add another section, but let's make it the type of section that's going to have a single playlist in it. When you're going to do that, you want to have that playlist already defined. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to define a section called miscellaneous videos, and I'm going to put all the videos that are on this channel currently in that new playlist. So remember, don't add a section here if you're going to add a single playlist section unless you've already created that single playlist. So let's go back and create that single playlist. We'll view playlists and we'll add a new playlist. And we'll call it miscellaneous videos. Now when you create a single playlist section in YouTube, it's going to use the name of the single playlist in that section as the section name. So you don't specify another name. This will be the name of the section. Let's go ahead and create that playlist, which will become that section. Now let's just go ahead and put all the videos that we have in that miscellaneous video section. We'll edit, and we'll go ahead and add all the videos. Click them all. Okay, now we have our miscellaneous videos playlist. Now we'll return to the page where I showed the channel, and we'll add a section, and we'll have a single playlist section, and we will select the one playlist. Now this is just giving you a choice. Do you want to specify the playlist by name or by URL? I'm going to specify it by name, and I'm going to click this. And now it's going to list them all, and there's my miscellaneous video. Now what we have on our channel listing, we have the latest video we added, we have a list of the uploads, and by the way, if you don't want this list of uploads here, you can click here and delete it. And let's go ahead and do that. It's not a horribly useful part of a channel listing, so let's just get rid of that part. So it's going to show the latest video. We can change this too, but we'll maybe talk about that a little later. Here's what you can show at the top: the latest upload, or something, or your latest activity, and that just means the latest video you've made any sort of a change to on YouTube. So we'll not worry about that for the moment. We'll leave this here. This is our computer-related playlists. There's 2 of them. And now here's our miscellaneous videos playlist, which has turned into a section of that name, miscellaneous videos, and it shows all the videos that we just put in that playlist that we used to set up the section. So this is what an outside viewer would see if he logged onto your channel. Here's how to change the order of the sections on your channel. I'm using my actual channel for this part of the demo. Once you've logged onto your channel, click Customize Channel. You can change the order of the sections by hovering over the section name, going over here and clicking an up or down arrow to move it 1 position in the list. This is the top of the sections, so the only direction you can move it is down. This one's in the middle, so if you hover over this line, you can move it either up or down 1 position. If you wanted to delete a section, you'd click this pencil that appears when you hover over the section title. Then you can click the trash can to delete that section. And once again, deleting a section won't delete the videos in the section. It will only delete the grouping that's called the section. I'm not going to do anything to it, so I'll cancel that. Once you've created a section, there's no way to change the order of the playlist listed in the section. So the only way to really change the order of the playlist in a section is to delete the section and recreate the section, adding the videos in the order you want them displayed. And these are basically all the steps I went through to set up my own channel, Tom's Tech Notes. So you pretty much know how to do everything to set up your basic channel. Let me go to my channel and I'll show you what a future video will show you how to do. What I'm going to show you how to do in a future video is how to put this picture in here for your channel banner, and how to add links to that picture to give the viewer more information. And then we'll show you how to do a welcome video, which plays automatically when somebody visits your channel that hasn't subscribed to the channel. And it will explain things like the fact that there are links up here that the new visitor can click to find out more. Once again, here's how to visit my channel and how to subscribe to my channel. You may need to pause this video to copy this information down.